the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. In this video I'm going to be covering basic attention token and a potential huge upside that we can be in store of going into 2020 2021, and a huge explosion in growth that we've been seeing in basic attention token and the Brave browser. I'm also going to be covering my Chainlink trade, XRP, and also BTC. But before I jump in this video, I just want to show you the kind of trades that have been going on my Telegram. If you want the link to my Telegram, it is in the description. As you can see, guys, I have been tracking this basic attention token trade over the past couple of weeks, guys, and we have made some huge absolute huge gains, guys. We have made well over 40% since I've very first posted about basic attention token. So if you want to get free trades like this on a daily basis, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. So before I jump into the chart, just want to cover the fundamental side of basic attention token and the Brave browser. As you can see, the total number of Brave browser publishers are now 324,000, and this number is set to continue. As you can see from the YouTube channels, month after month there is continued growth. Same with the websites, Twitch channels, Twitter handles, Reddit accounts, and the Vimeo channels. As you can see, these numbers are absolutely parabolic, and these numbers are set to continue. So I just want to show you what basic attention token, so it works alongside the Brave browser. If you can't already see, I am currently on the Brave browser. I use it because it's fast and it's private, and you get to donate to publishers. So if you like a YouTube channel and they're doing a good job, you can choose to donate basic attention token. Same with websites, anything you like, as long as they are publishers on the Brave browser, you can donate to them, and vice versa. You also get rewarded in basic attention token if you choose to watch certain ads. You get to choose what you want to watch, and you get paid basic attention token for your attention to these ads. So it is a great browser. I'll definitely recommend it, so go check it out, guys. You can just download it onto your PC on iOS. You can also on Android. It is available to millions and millions, and I believe this number is set to keep growing as the months go on. And like I've said in the past, the projects that will do really well going into the next bull run, if we do have a bull run in 2020 2021, it will be projects with actual real use case that people are actually using. It's actually solving a problem. I mean, gone are the days where you can just publish a white paper and price will continue, or a little partnership and price will go up to 300%. You need actual real use case. You need to be solving a real world issue, guys. And the coins that I cover on my Telegram, they are tokens or coins that actually solve a real world issue, and it's a products that people will use going into the future as we move into a tokenized world, guys. So like I said, with basic attention token, with the number set to grow, I believe this also will be bullish for the actual price of basic attention token. We topped out back in April. So if I just get this chart here, so back in April we topped out at roughly 50 cents, and since then we have, very similar to BTC, we've been seeing these lower highs and these lower lows. And this was shown also on my Telegram. We had this down slope of resistance here, guys, where every time price retested, we're getting rejected and rejected time again. And I posted on my Telegram, guys, like, once again, my Telegram link is in the description. I said once we break out of this down sloping resistance, I believe I would get very bullish on price. And I just want to show you, since we had a breakout of this down sloping resistance, we've seen an increase in price. Forget that we had the breakout to where price is roughly about 50% up to the upside in the past month and a half. In the past month alone, guys, and this call was given on my Telegram. Go and check it out, guys. So currently we are finding resistance on previous resistance where we had this resistance here. It also coincides, I mean, I basically drew this fib extension from the the high price that we had in April down to the low where we had back in September, I believe it was. So yeah, it was back in end of August, beginning of September. So, and price is currently finding resistance on the fib and on this previous resistance. I just want to show you how significant this area is, because this was an area that we both tested as support. It was support and then turn resistance, and as you can see now, this zone is acting as resistance once again. However, if we do have a breakout of this region here, guys, our next target has to be the 618 retracement, which coincides perfectly with all this resistance cluster that we've had in this region here. Furthermore, if we do break above the 618, then I believe we can easily retest the 786. And again, very, very crucial area that price will need to break past here, where we had this massive multi-wick rejection here to retest the most recent high of the year of roughly about 50 cents. But like I said, very important region to break to see any further upside. But as this number continues to grow, I believe we should continue to see continued growth in the price of basic attention token. I mean, current resistance is this zone here, and current support, just want to show you, we've got these two things we can look at support. So we have this nice upsloping trend line here, guys. So as you can see, each time we've touched this zone here, price has bounced off perfectly and continued to the upside. So this is my first line of support here. Also, we have these nice wicks where price has found previous support as well. So that be the two regions I'm looking for potential resistance, now turn support with a potential upside retest. But like I said, while these numbers and the user growth grows higher, I believe going into next year, 2020, 2021, with the BTC halving happening and the potential cryptocurrency bull market that could be on the horizon, I believe basic attention token is one of those tokens that can perform really well in a bull market cycle. So it was one to watch, guys. If you want to keep up to date with this analysis, go and give me a follow on my Telegram, guys. I will be covering all this in my Telegram. Also, if you watch my previous video, I had this pattern here. Like I said, guys, we had an ascending triangle pattern, and we currently found resistance here, guys. I just want to show you, it was resistance that we found on, we had previously these 3 candle closures here. Price found resistance again on these zones, and we've started to roll back over. But I want to show you where we have found some support. So we found support again on previous resistance, now turn support, and it coincides with the 618. So I'm also looking again very similar to basic attention token. We also have this nice upsloping support here, which will be acting as support. Maybe we can get another touch to the downside before retesting this upsloping resistance, coinciding with this area of resistance here. If we do break above it, my upside target still remain $3.30 and then possibly $3.40 to $3.46. Those are my upside targets. Like I said, similar with BAT, Link is another project with actual real use case, and it has been performing really well, guys. It has been one of the most best performing assets in the cryptocurrency market at the moment, guys. So I'm looking for potential another retest of this support before retesting to the upside. But like I've said before, we found support on the 618, and the 618 is always classed as the golden ratio, guys. So we retraced to the 618, so we're potentially looking for some upside going into next week, to the end of next week. Like I said, I'll be following this trade in real time, guys, and it will be covered again in my free Telegram, guys. However, if price does touch this support and we start breaking over, then I believe this structure could be over, and then we could be looking for an actual retest of this lower region of support where we've had back here of roughly about $2.30 before we had this structure. But at the moment, I'm still quite bullish. Just the fact that we have been forming these higher lows each time, guys, and also price has been making these higher highs on the daily time frame. So I'm still remaining quite bullish with another potential retest of the upside still to come. But if we do get rejected, then I'll be looking at some further downside targets. However, if we do break above these, the 618 and the 0.27 is my upside targets. And switching over to BTC, because it's very important, guys. So covering all these altcoins, however, with BTC, it has the most dominance in the cryptocurrency market. So it does make sense to dictate the direction of this market, of what's actually happening. As you can see here, we have been in this falling wedge, guys. It's been forming all the way back since we had that massive surge upside back in late October. So the past 2 to 3 weeks, guys, we have been in this falling wedge formation, guys, and it has been respected time and time again. As soon as we are coming anywhere, this support is holding up, and then every time we get in these wicks to the upside, we're getting rejected once again. But as we come to the apex of this formation here, guys, I mean, the range is getting shorter and shorter. So guys, any moment we're going to have a squeeze of price, and then price will have to make a decision of what's going to happen. We're either going to have a massive surge to the upside, with the ultimate target being where the wedge started forming around $10,300, and that will be quite a significant swing trade to take, guys. So if we did have a break here, that will be a roughly a 21% to the upside, guys. However, again, you've got to look at this. No pattern is valid until you get confirmation. If we do have a break under this down sloping support, which will be forming these lower lows, I mean, that will be the break of the structure. This formation and this pattern will be over, and then we could be looking at potential downside targets all the way back down for another retest of this support of roughly 7,400 to 7,500. I mean, some people calling this was the most recent floor of price, and we will continue to see further upside. However, I'm remaining quite neutral during this trade, guys, because I'm still waiting for confirmation before I'll be adding any positions to the upside, or I'm going to be shorting the market. Like I said, if you trade this, it doesn't matter where price goes. You can benefit in price if it goes to the upside or if it goes to the downsides, guys. So I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date in real time on my Telegram. Once again, the link is in the description, so go and give me a follow. Next up, I'm going to switch over to XRP, because a lot of you that follow me also have invested in XRP. And again, I've been covering all week. So I said, look, if we was finding support on the 618 precisely, and then price broke under the 618, and I said the next target is 25 cents. And as soon as we broke under, we literally were just a fraction off touching the 786. So, and price now, again, if you look where we're finding resistance, we're finding resistance on previous support. Like I said, look, as you can see, previous support now has turned into resistance, guys. And to see any further upside, I'm going to need a clean break above this zone here for a retest of this high of the 382 fib. If it doesn't happen and we get rejected, I believe we can have another retest of 786, and even further down we can see price drop all the way back down to 23 cents, guys. But like I said, if you're long-term holders in XRP, these kind of regions down here from 23 cents all the way down here to 20 cents, guys, this will be a good position to dollar cost average in, guys, and accumulate within this zone at the moment. So at the moment, I'm quite bearish on the price of XRP. we won't see any upside unless we break over this region. So I believe we can have a retest back down here with 786. A break under this zone would bring us back down to this area of where we had previous wicks, and we found support here before carrying to the upside. So once again, if you want to stay up to date with all my trades analysis, go and give me a follow on my Telegram. Link is in the description, and let me know, guys, what you think. Are you guys currently holding basic attention token? Do you believe in the long term of this project, or do you think this is just another shitcoin? So let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, for I'm open to any feedback, and let me know what you like to see in the next video. So once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Crypto Chris over and out.